first glance, the warbler seems like just a tiny, delicate bird. But listen closely, and you'll discover a wonder of nature hidden in its voice. These little guys can sing over 100 different notes, faster than we can even hear. Their songs are more than just beautiful melodies. They're codes for marking territory and attracting mates. Despite their small size, warblers are incredible long-distance travelers. Some migrate thousands of kilometers, crossing oceans and deserts, guided only by the stars above. And here's the real mystery. Scientists have found that warblers can sense the Earth's magnetic field. They navigate like living compasses, a true marvel of nature. Small in body, yet they carry the music and maps of the skies. The warbler is truly nature's hidden genius. Follow for more untold bird legends.